Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Google Sheets SEO report templates step by step clearly. Open your Google Sheets document containing the SEO report template. Navigate to the specific sheet you want to update. Review the current data and identify areas that need improvement. Check the date of the last update to ensure the data is current. If necessary, gather new SEO data from your preferred tools. This may include keyword rankings, backlink profiles, and traffic analytics. Once you have the new data, create a new sheet for this update. Label this new sheet with the current date for easy reference. Copy the format of the existing report template to maintain consistency. Paste the new data into the appropriate sections of the template. Ensure that each data point aligns with the correct metric. If charts or graphs are present, select the data and update them accordingly. To do this, highlight the old chart and click on Edit Chart from the Options menu. Link the chart to your new data range to refresh it. Double-check all formulas and functions to ensure they pull from the correct cells. Adjust any conditional formatting rules as necessary to highlight important data. Once all updates are complete, review the entire report for accuracy. Cross-reference the new data with the original sources for validation. Share the updated report with your team or stakeholders using the share function in Google Sheets. Consider setting up a schedule for regular updates to the report. This will ensure that your SEO insights remain timely and relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.